there, friends. It's time to play. Let's dance with colors all the way. We'll clap, we'll jump, we'll spin around. Let's find the colors all around. Are you ready? Let's start with red. Red, red, bold and bright. Clap your hands with all your might. Red like apples, red like fire. Clap, 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 now jump up higher. Great job! Now let's shine like the yellow sun. Yellow, yellow, sunny and sweet. Jump, jump, jump on your feet. Yellow like the sun, yellow like bees. Jump, 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 1, 2, 3. Wow, look at the blue sky. Let's spin. Blue, blue, cool and true. Spin around, it's fun to do. Blue like the sky, blue like the sea. Spin, 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 1, 2, 3. Amazing! Next is green like the trees. Let's wiggle.
Green, green, wiggle with me. Like the leaves on a big tall tree. Wiggle your arms, wiggle your toes. Green is here, now strike a pose.
Oh, here comes purple. Let's stomp. Purple, purple, stomp, stomp, stomp. Like grapes that go plop, plop, plop. Stomp your feet, feel the beat. Purple dancing is oh so sweet.
Red and yellow, green and blue. Purple joins to make a view. Clap your hands and dance along.
Rainbow colors make us strong. Let's finish with a big rainbow dance. Ready?
Rainbow, rainbow, colors so bright.
Jump and twirl with all your might.
Clap, stomp, spin and sway.
Rainbow dancing makes our day. Thanks for dancing. Thanks for fun. You're a rainbow star, everyone.
Wave goodbye, we'll see you soon. Keep your color